How to fix Amazon Alexa app not working. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. If your Amazon Alexa application is not working, there might be a couple of reasons why. Firstly, to solve any of the technical glitch or the bug issue, open up your phone settings. In the phone settings, you have to navigate to the main menu option. Navigate to Apps, head over to All Apps, tap on the search icon to search for Amazon Alexa. Firstly, you need to force stop your app, head over to Storage and Cache, and tap on Clear Cache. This will solve any of the bug or the glitch issue. While you are in your phone settings, check out the system update. Ensure that your system is up to date so that it can support the latest version of the app. After which you can head back from here and check for the Bluetooth connectivity. Make sure that your Alexa app is well connected with the Alexa device or any other device. If not, you need to check for any available update for your Alexa app. Also make sure that if your application is undergoing an update, it will simply not launch or work. In that case, just wait for a couple of minutes and try to launch your app. And I bet it will start working. And you have made it to the end of the video as well. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.